How many decisions do you think you make in one day? Go on, guess. 5, 10, maybe 100? Try 5,000. Yep, you can make up to 5,000 decisions a day. It's bananas. And talking of food, some people eat the same meal every day to save over 200 food decisions. And some millionaires, like Steve Jobs, the guy who created Apple, he wore the same outfit every single day. Not because he didn't care what he looked like, but because it was one less thing to think about. Making decisions can be exhausting. It's called decision fatigue, and it's actually a real thing. That's why some people like to simplify things, so they've got more brain power for the big stuff. So why does this matter for you? Because even as a kid, you're already making loads of choices, probably without realizing it. Stuff like, do I say something? Do I join in or shall I walk away? These tiny decisions are called micro decisions, and they shape your day more than you think. And the more you practice, the better you get when the big ones come. Do I tell the truth, even if I might get in trouble? Do I play with that friend again after what happened earlier? Do I speak up or do I stay quiet? These choices build who you are, your confidence, friendships, and your future. Choices help you grow, mistakes help you learn, and that's how we succeed. So how do we actually get better at making these smart choices? In our house, we use something called the 3 C's: choice, consequences, and confidence. Thinking through those 3 is how we build real decision-making skills. First, pause. Wait 5 seconds before reacting or speaking. This one has saved me from so many verbal diarrhea disasters. You know, the ones where you say something and instantly regret it and want the floor to swallow you up. And my rule, never decide when you're tired, angry, sad, or do you know what, even excited. Wait until your brain is calm. And if you want to know how to actually calm your brain, watch the video coming up here. It's all about self-care, and yep, I use it too. Now let's walk through those 3 C's. Choice. What are your options? Just listing them can make things feel way less overwhelming. Consequence. What do you think might happen if you choose each one? Ask yourself, what might happen if I choose this? Is it kind? Is it fair? And will I still feel proud of this tomorrow? Get help. Ask someone older who's been through it. It's smart. It helps you learn faster. Sometimes someone else can see what you can't, and a problem shared is always a problem halved. Confidence. What do you believe is the right thing to do? Not what your friend says, not what you think people expect. What feels right based on everything you've just worked through, what feels right in your gut. And finally, don't be afraid to get it wrong. Every wrong choice still teaches you something. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. So be fearless with your decision making. If you follow these steps, you are going to be fine. And if something doesn't go to plan, you can always go back. And parents, this works for us too. I use these exact steps with Theo and myself. All right. Let's have some fun now, because you know I love a little bonus challenge. We can see how many choices you actually make. Grab the free mini choices tracker and write down 10 little decisions you've made today. You're going to be so surprised how in charge of your day you really are. Or how about trying out Theo's favourite, Escape from the Island? It's a survival challenge where you decide what happens. It's part of the free life skills pack, packed with fun, brain-boosting activities to help you practice decision-making, planning, and smart thinking. And if you're still not sure what choice to make, sometimes your body already knows the answer. You know, that twisty feeling in your belly, that's your gut talking, and it's usually right. Watch this video coming up next. It's all about what your gut is telling you. I'll show you how to listen and make smarter decisions without the stress. You're not just making choices, You're building something, and every time you practice, you get stronger, smarter, and more confident. If you want more fun ways to grow confidence, boost your mood, and learn life skills the easy way, hit that subscribe button and watch the next video. And I'll see you there.